Jefferson County Court, law number 2 is back in session. Next case is cause number 327904. Case is style of State of Texas versus Derek D. Thomas. Mr. Thomas, would you please come forward? Yeah, okay, put it, we have something to put his pen in. Now, Mr. Thomas, your full name is Derek D. Thomas or Derek Demond Thomas?
Yes.
Mr. Thomas, would you please raise your right hand? Mr. Thomas, do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes, sir.
Mr. Thomas, you may put your hand down. Mr. Thomas, I have before me 2 documents. The first document is titled Judge's Explanation of Rights of Defense Without Attorney. You recognize this document?
I would glad, sir.
Could you hand that to him? Sure. Just, now you recognize that document?
sir.
Is that your signature? Keep it in front of me. Is that your signature at the bottom of that document that's titled defendant? Above the line is titled defendant, and are those your initials on the line stating that you would like to apply for court-appointed attorney?
Yes, sir.
You can hand this document to him too. This second document is titled Jefferson County Affidavit of Indigence. Do you recognize that document?
Yes, sir.
On page 2 of that same document, at the top left-hand side, there's a signature above the line that's titled defender signature. It's your signature.
Yes, sir.
Now, Mr. Thomas, before you signed and initialed those 2 documents that was just shown to you, did you read the documents?
Yes, sir.
Did you understand what you read?
Yes, sir.
And is everything in these documents true and correct to the best of your knowledge?
Yes, sir.
Now, Mr. Thomas, based on your answers in these documents, you meet the eligibility requirements for the appointment of a court-appointed attorney, and the next attorney that's on the list that will be appointed to represent you is Attorney Todd LeBlanc. Attorney LeBlanc is already sitting here in the courtroom. That's that gentleman with the green jacket. Mr. LeBlanc, he's going to be given information on how to contact you. You also be given information on how to contact him. Okay?
Okay.
If y'all need time to talk, y'all can do that if y'all desire to. But he could get his respect from over. All right. Okay, we got Colby, man.
You don't need to sign anything, but I need to get. Oh, you're on. So I just wanted to let you know that Mr. King is in the waiting room in the team.
Oh,
I
okay,
didn't realize that the ID had changed.
okay. But I just, Colby, man. Mr. King, please put your mic on mute. Mr. King, please put your mic on mute.
I'm sorry, Your Honor. I can't. I didn't. I had it on mute.
Okay, if you can't put it on mute, I'll put it on mute for you.
I found it just now. I'm so sorry.
We're still not on mute. There it is. Thank you. Next case is cause number 330286. Case is style of State of Texas versus Colby Mack. Mr. Mack, your name is Kobe C. Mack. You're also known as Kobe Shashawn Mack.
Yes, sir.
How are you doing, Mr. Mack?
Good, sir.
I'm doing fine. Thanks for asking. Mr. Mack, would you please raise your right hand? Mr. Mack, do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes, sir.
Mr. Mack, you may put your hand down. Now, Mr. Mack, I have before me two documents. The first document is titled Judge's Explanation of Rights of Defendants Without Attorney. Well, first of all, would you please raise your right hand? Mr. Mack, do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes, sir.
Mr. Mack, you may put your hand down. Mr. Porter, can you hand this to Mr. Mack? Let's go over the first form with him. Now, Mr. Mack, that first form is titled Judge's Explanation of Rights of Defendants Without Attorney. Do you recognize that document?
Yes, sir.
Is that your signature at the bottom on the line, above the line that's titled Defendant?
Yes, sir.
And are those your initials on the line at the bottom that states that you would like to apply for court-appointed attorney?
Yes, sir.
Now, on that next document, that document is titled Judge's Affidavit, was Jefferson County Affidavit of Indigence. Do you recognize that document?
Yes, sir.
On page 2 of that document, just turn the page over. At the top left-hand corner, it says defendant's signature. Is that your signature above the line that's titled defendant's signature?
Yes, sir.
Now, Mr. Mack, before you sign and initial those documents, did you read the documents?
Yes, sir.
And did you understand what you read?
Yes, sir.
And is everything in those documents true and correct to the best of your knowledge?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, Mr. Mack, based on your answers in those documents, you meet the eligibility requirements of the appointment of a court-appointed attorney. And the next attorney, the attorney that will be appointed to represent you is Attorney John Macy. Let's see. Mr. Bailey, could you reach me those forms back? And Mr. Mack, Mr. Macy is going to be given information on how to contact you. You'll also be given information on how to contact him. Our court coordinator will provide you with that information. Mr. Mack, you're going to stand on the X in front of our court coordinator. She's going to give you information on how to contact Mr. Macy, and Mr. Macy will give her information on how to contact you. Once you get that information, you'll be free to go. You have a blessed day and happy holidays.
Thank you. Same to you.
All right.
That's 5080.
Isaiah Collins. Get Isaiah Collins with them. They just happen to have a seat up there. We can have Mr.
Macy is your attorney. Next probate is February 15th. We should be contacting you at the number you gave me within 24 hours. We will help you with the number, okay? Thank you.
Next case is cause number 318-966 and cause number 322442. Both cases are styled State of Texas versus Cleveland and James Chambers. How are you doing, Mr. Chambers?
Doing all right, thanks, sir.
That's good. Now, Mr. Chambers, you're here represented by your attorney, Ms. Laura Perazzo. Ms. Perazzo, how are you doing?
I'm doing well, Your Honor, thank you.
Ms. Perazzo, I have two motions to dismiss. The motion to revoke probations in Mr. Chambers' case that was provided by the district attorney's office. Is that correct?
That's correct, Your Honor.
And the court has just signed those dismissals. You can get a copy of those dismissals from our court coordinator. Hold on a minute. Okay, now, Mr. Chambers, once you get the dismissal, you no longer be on probation. Congratulations. You have a blessed day and happy holidays to you.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
All right. You gotta turn that up, keep the phone off. Yeah, yeah.
Did you want to bring this out? Yeah. It is. And that's yours. Uh-huh.
Let's see. Next case is cause number 330. Excuse me. Let's see. Excuse me. Next case is cause number 326166. Case of South State of Texas versus Zacrease Johnson. Ms. Zacrease Johnson is appearing via Zoom, and Zacrease Johnson is represented by attorney Joel Vasquez. Ms. Zacrease Johnson, how are you doing? I guess they. Mr. Vasquez, how are you doing?
Good, Your Honor. How about yourself?
Okay, that's good. I guess Zacrease Johnson doesn't have their mic must be on mute or something. Oh, it's not on. Mr. Vasquez, what is your announcement in Zacrease Johnson's case?
Judge, if we could have one more reset, we'll resolve the case next time, or we'll put it on the trial docket. We'll ask the
Okay.
court for a trial date if we can't resolve it.
What is that?
February 24th.
Zacchaeus Johnson will be reset to February 24th of 2023. State, you have any objections?
No objection, Your Honor, and the reset is very likely the state's fault, Your Honor. Mr. Vasquez requested an offer from me, and this is one of those that slipped through the cracks.
Okay. Okay, Zacchaeus Johnson, your case will be reset till February 24th, 2023. This will conclude your case. Stay in contact with your attorney. You're free to go. You have a blessed day and happy holidays. And Mr. Vasquez, your reset will be sent to you. You have a blessed day and happy holidays to you as well.
Thank you, Your Honor. Happy holidays to you.
All right. You're welcome.
Thank you, Lamar.
There we go.
Next case is cause number 330102. Case is styled the state of Texas versus Elax L. King. Is that? Yeah. Mr. King is appearing via Zoom. Mr. King, how are you doing?
Hey, I'm good, and Your Honor, and yourself.
I'm doing fine. Thanks for asking, Ms. King. You're here represented by your attorney Lori Perazo. And Ms. Perazo, what's your announcement in Ms. King's case?
Your Honor, if we could have just one more week to give Mr. King an opportunity to gather the funds necessary to pay his fine, I would appreciate that.
Any objection, state?
No objection, Your Honor.
Okay, and this is a JP reduction, is that correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Give us a reset date in, it's gotta be in January, plus we don't.
January 20th.
Okay, this case is to be reset to January. Now, state, you have any objections
No objection.
to that? Okay, this case will be reset to January 20th of 2023. Give you an opportunity to pay your fine and court costs in the JP reduction. Mr. King, your attorney, your bonds will be given notice of your reset. Again, this case is reset to January 20th, 2023. You're free to go. Have a blessed day and happy holidays to you. And Ms. Perazo, I think this is your last case.
Yes, sir.
Once you get your reset, you'll be free to go and happy holidays to you.
Thank you.
You as well, Your Honor. Thank you. Have a blessed one.
All right, you're welcome. Next case is cause number 332950. Case is filed in the state of Texas versus Isaiah Jermaine Collins. Mr. Collins, is that your full name?
Yes, sir.
How you doing, Mr. Collins? Okay, Mr. Collins, see here that your case was reset last time to give you an opportunity to hire an attorney.
I had needed a little more, I was trying to see if I could get a little more time. I was out of town working in Houston, trying to make enough money, because all the ones I was calling at first, they was a little too high, but I had found one for a reasonable price.
So you found an attorney that you,
For a reasonable price, I just couldn't get the money to him in time.
okay, how much time do you need?
Give me- give me- give me
30? Okay, he needs a reset to hire an attorney. Give him a reset date.
Okay, February 20th.
Okay, so that's more than 60 days, okay? So, your case is gonna be reset. Give you an opportunity to hire an attorney. Once you get your reset, you'll be free to go and you have a blessed day.
All right.
And happy holidays to you.
Thank you.
What's that date?
February 24th.
Okay, February 24th. 2022. Andre, okay, we got. Olivia, Amanda Olivier.
Be a dismissal.
Yes, court is in session is in cause number 330220. Case is style of state of Texas versus Amanda and Olivier. Miss Olivier, is that your full name?
Yes, sir.
How are you doing, Miss Olivier? I'm doing fine. Thanks for asking, Miss Olivier. You're here represented by your attorney, Attorney Todd LeBlanc. Attorney LeBlanc, how are you doing? Now, Mr. LeBlanc, state is represented here by Attorney LeBlanc Johnson. Attorney Johnson, how are you doing?
I'm doing well, Your Honor. Thank you.
Mr. Johnson, I have before me a motion to dismiss this case. Is that correct?
That is correct, Your Honor.
Now, Ms. Olivier, the state has filed a motion to dismiss your case. I've just signed a motion to dismiss. Your attorney, Mr. LeBlanc, will be given a copy of the dismissal to give to you. Once you get a copy of the dismissal, you'll be free to go. You have a blessed day and happy holidays.
Thank you.
All right, you can stand over there. Mr. LeBlanc, is this your last case?
Yes, Judge.
Okay, you're free to go as well. Have a blessed day and happy holidays to you as well. David Crow. Andre Whitaker. Jefferson County Court at law number 2 is in session and cause number 326566, case of style of state of Texas versus Andre DeLeon Whitaker.
Yes, sir.
Mr. Whitaker, is that your full name?
Yes, sir.
How are you doing, Mr. Whitaker?
I'm doing well today. How are you?
I'm doing fine. Thanks for asking. Ms. Whitaker, you're here with your attorney, Attorney David Grove. Attorney Grove, how are you doing?
Good, Judge. Thank you.
And the state is represented in this case by Attorney Raymond Shearer. Attorney Shearer, how are you doing?
Doing good, Your Honor.
Mr. Grove, what is your announcement in Mr. Whitaker's case?
Your Honor, we have a plea bargain offer from the DA's office. I'd like to get a 90-day resetting if we could, because there's quite a bit of restitution, and that would give Mr. Whitaker time to get the restitution if possible.
Okay,
And the state's not opposed to it, because that was kind of the idea that
Okay.
we are talking about.
okay, give us a reset date. Probably be in March.
It'll be March 10th.
Okay, this case is being reset to March 10th of 2023.
Yes, sir.
Mr. Whitaker, to give you an opportunity to get the restitution.
Yes.
And the state would like the court to be aware that if Mr. Whitaker comes up with the restitution money and pays it ahead of time, we will dismiss the case. So if-
Okay.
the sooner the better in this case.
Okay,
Yes, sir. We hope that will happen.
okay. So, Mr. Whitaker, your case has been reset to March 10th, 2023. Give you an opportunity to get the restitution. You Your attorney is gonna sign for your reset. Once you get your reset from your attorney, you'll be free to go. You have a blessed day and happy holidays to you. And Mr. Grove, this is your only case. You're free to
Yes,
go as
sir.
well, and happy holidays to you as well.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
You're welcome.
Hold on one second.
Wow. Next case is cause number 300146. Case is styled of State of Texas versus Erica Monique Winfield. Your full name is Erica Monique Winfield.
Yes, sir.
How you doing, Ms. Winfield?
Good, I am.
I'm doing fine. Thanks for asking. Ms. Winfield, I have before me a motion to dismiss your motion to revoke probation. State, is that correct?
That's correct, Your Honor.
And Ms. Winfield, I just signed your motion to dismiss your motion to revoke probation. You will get a copy from our court coordinator. Once you get a copy from our court coordinator, You'll be free to go. Have a blessed day and happy holidays. And congratulations.
Thank
You wanna- All right, please stand over here.
Thank you. Have a good day.
All right, thank you. So. That was the first one on the announcement document. Mr. Lawrence,
Yes, Your Honor.
come forward. The state has just filed a motion to dismiss on Nicholas Collins.
Yes, Your
Is that correct?
That'd be correct.
Okay, and just signed it. You can get a copy of the dismissal from our court coordinator. Once you get a copy of the dismissal, you'll be free to go. You have a blessed day and happy holidays to you.
Yes, Your Honor, and happy holidays to you and your staff.
All right, thank you.
Thank you very much.